name is Louise, and I'm going to teach you how to make a moist chocolate cake. Here are the ingredients: butter, buttermilk, all-purpose flour, egg, brown sugar, cocoa powder, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and last but not least, vanilla extract. And for the frosting, we need cocoa powder, margarine, and condensed milk. We need to mix the dry ingredients. First is flour. Next is cocoa powder. Next is salt. Next is baking soda. And next is baking powder. And then you mix them well. After mixing it well, we set aside. Next, we need to pour the sugar and the butter here. And next, the sugar. And set the mixer in medium speed for 3 minutes. Next, add the vanilla extract and 1 egg at a time. 1 egg at a time, and continue mixing. And now, we're going to mix the dry ingredients. And the milk. Mixing. Next, pour this in the baking pan and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. Cocoa powder and the condensed milk in the double broiler until the cocoa powder dissolves, and add the margarine if the mixture gets thickened. Stir continuously in the low fire. Design your cake with anything you want, and voila! This is my cake, the moist chocolate cake. Thanks for watching, and please like the video, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Bye-bye!